solar system. Look at this amazing cow come to defend this land from construction. A good cow with a bill right above. I'm flying. I'm going away, cow. But you are lucky and I like you. Nobody will catch you here. You can stay here forever. This is the solar system, cow. This is the sun. And this is the solar system. I like you, cow. I'm going away, going all over the forest. And I'm going over to the forest. But you can stay. It's leaking. Leaking. You have a kid. You better give it to the kid. You're a male cow. A male cow, a hero. Have a good luck. I will pass on my way to the tree point in the forest, to sleep in the forest, and so you can sleep here, cow. As you can see, this amazing male cow ran away, and you can stay here forever. I'm defend this forest with me, male cow, and good will come to us. That's lack of the ozone layer from all the solar system. It's just watering the grass. Thanks a lot, and have good luck. I'll show the picture again. Just increase the size of the image. He's walking by watering by watering. Good luck. I saved him. I will try to save you to the year 2025 with lack of all the stars that surrounding the solar